Hi, flute students. So this is for my beginners flute students. So I do know that creating the shape to play different notes on the flute could be a little bit difficult at the beginning. So here I will explain you very quick the home keys for each single finger. So each one of the fingers should have what we call in music its own home key. The key in where that fingers is gonna be always at the beginning when we start. And I will start with the right hand, okay? If you are watching me, this is my right hand. The right hand is gonna be facing out. The right hand is gonna be facing out to hold the flute. And then the left hand is gonna be facing you, okay? So this one, which is the left hand, is the hand that is gonna be closer to your mouth and it's gonna be facing you. The right hand, which is gonna be the hand that is gonna be away from you, is the hand that is gonna be facing out. So again, facing out the right hand, facing you the left hand, okay? So I will be talking about the right hand first, the one that is away from you. Because when we put the flute like this, the right hand is the one that is a little bit more far from you. So in order for us to know which are the home keys, you need to know this. Let's start with the pinky. The pinky goes in this key right here. Then the next finger goes right next to it. Then the third goes right next to it. And then the fourth go right next to it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the numbers of your fingers. Index finger is 1, middle finger is 2, ring finger is 3, and pinky is 4. Okay? That's the home, those are the home keys for the right hand, okay? Is that clear? Let's go now to the left hand, the hand that is a little bit closer to you when you are playing the flute, okay? So in the left hand, first we have the home key for the thumb, which is this big one right here. That's the first one that you need to put there. When you put that note or that finger on that key, that's the home key for that thumb there. Then you come to the front. You don't put your finger on the first one, you put the finger on the second one right here, okay? And you let the flute rest on that index finger. The flute doesn't rest in between your fingers like this. When you put your thumb and you put your index finger, you let the flute rest right next of that index finger like you see right here. It's a little bit difficult to find a way to show you. So again, the flute is gonna be resting right next to your index finger right here, okay? So we got the home key for the thumb on the back, the big one, the longer one that you see there, not the one on the circle one, the big one. Then the index finger will go on the second key right here. Then the middle finger, the other finger, will skip one key. You won't put it in this one. You will skip one and you will put it on the next one, okay? And then the third finger will go right next to the second finger there. And then the pinky home key is gonna be this one, but we are not gonna press that one, okay? So we got thumb on the back on this big one, thumb, then 1, 2, and 3. Again, from 1 to 2, we skip 1 in the middle. Got it? So those are the home keys for the left hand. Again, thumb, index, finger 1, skip 1, put the finger next, and then put the finger next to the second finger. Those are the 3 for that place. And then we got 1, 2, 3, and the pinky in this note here on the foot joint, okay? Those are the home keys in order for us to put all the fingers in their place, okay? Okay, that's how it's gonna look. The thumb, the flute resting next to the index finger, index finger, middle finger, skipping one, then third finger, then we got 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right hand. The shape and the fingers that you see on green right here are the fingers for us to play F. That's the first note that we are gonna play. Is one of the easiest one in terms of the sound, in terms of how you are going to hold it. So basically, on the left hand, the hand that is closer to us, we are going to press all the fingers of the home keys. Basically, all the home key fingers are going to be there. Thumb, 1, 2, 3. They are going to be in their home keys, okay? Then on the right hand, we are going to press the index, finger 1 on the right hand, and then finger 4 on the right hand. So left hand, we got all the fingers, thumb, 1, 2, 3. And then the right hand, we have only finger 1 and finger 4. These two fingers will stay on the air. We don't hide them because then it's gonna be a little bit difficult when we need them because they will need to come from too far. So you just keep it there on the air. Again, on the right hand, we have finger 1 and finger 4, which is index and pinky. And on the left hand, this one right here, which is facing you, which is closer to you, you will have the thumb on the back, you will have the index finger, you skip one, you put the second finger, and then you put the third finger right next to the second. Again, left hand, thumb, 1, 2, 3. Right hand, 1 and 4. That's how you play the sound of F. Let me get closer to here so that you can see my hands. That's the sound of F there. We're gonna play a whole note, 4 beats. Let's play a whole note together. 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole note gets 4 beats. Okay? Let's play 4 quarter notes. For that, we use the tonguing. We use what is called tonguing. We will use our tongue to divide the sound in 4 pieces. We are going to blow fast air one time, but we are going to use our tongue to divide the sound like this. The air like this. You didn't see me taking out my tongue, but the tongue is touching my lips. You don't need to take the whole tongue out. The tongue is gonna just touch your lips in the inside. How we're gonna play 4 quarter notes like this. 4 quarter notes of F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try again. 4 quarter notes of F. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how we play 4 quarter notes. Make sure that you practice. I will see you later. Bye-bye.